I have something to introduce to you today mga kasipat. Now I am in Taiwan mga kasipat, in the famous Shanghai Tech mga kasipat here in Taiwan mga kasipat. There are plenty of temple here mga kasipat. Look at the ground mga kasipat. It's very nice in here mga kasipat. Come on. I will tour you in the Shanghai Tech in Taiwan.
Shanghai?
Shanghai Tech pala, Shanghai Tech.
Shanghai Shake?
Shanghai Shake mga kasipat. It's very nice here, very beautiful mga kasipat. And there are plenty of people here mga kasipat. See that temple mga kasipat. That is their first president here in Taiwan mga kasipat. And this is the temple of the Grandmaster. Mga Grandmaster president. See? It's very nice in here mga kasipat. There's a very large ground mga kasipat. Oh. Music.
Ada pun.
Mga sipat. There are plenty of people here mga kasipat.
Ayun. Ayun dah ba? Apa na?
The place makasipat is very great makasipat. You can play here makasipat because it's very large ground makasipat. I think this large ground is intended for their programs makasipat. If there is a election makasipat, they will have their canvas there na. Ito hindi advance makasipat. That man daw makasipat is that statue is their first president in this Taiwan country makasipat. Oh. I can also see many Pinoy here makasipat. The people in Pinoy invade the country makasipat. See makasipat to. Very beautiful place makasipat to. The garden, oh, everything makasipat oh. Everywhere is very large makasipat. Shanghai Tech daw to makasipat oh. A very nice place makasipat here in Taiwan. So you can visit Taiwan makasipat oh. A very nice sunset here makasipat. So now we're touring around the city makasipat. So it's very nice place makasipat. So come here makasipat and follow me here makasipat. Thank you Lord for this opportunity to be here. Grabe ang saya dito makasipat. Oh. This is the temple makasipat. The temple of their first president here in Taiwan. There's a guwapa makasipat oh. Plenty of people here. Sunset. Very nice place makasipat. Hi makasipat, please follow, share, don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow me. Bun Sipat. Bye, love you all.